Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are playing with a brand that is very hyped, but I have not actually tried before. So we are gonna play our intro and then I'll tell you what we're doing. Okay, so Juvia'S Place is obviously a brand that a ton of people rave about. The quality, the pigment, the assortment of colors. Also, it is a black owned brand that is very proud of that fact, and they use their culture and their heritage in a whole lot of their products, which I think is incredible. So I got their Afrique palette. I don't know if I'm saying that right, don't clock me on that, but it was brand new. I ordered it while I was out of town. It came in a couple days ago. I'm back on my in-between day, and so I wanted to go ahead and film with it. So this is the front of the palette. Looks like this. They've got their usual logo here, the name of the palette there. You open it up, no mirror, but it's super cute here, and we've got all of our shades right there. So we obviously have a lot of bright colors, a couple of transition shades, and some really cute shimmers, which, shockingly enough, be proud of me, we didn't just do a smoky eye with a shimmer on the lid for once in our life. So this is the look we came up with today. And I'm going to show you now because I'm not going to take credit for this general look. I went on their Instagram and I looked at their photo shoot and I found this look that was done during their photo shoot and pulled inspiration from it. Obviously it does not look the same. I'm not nearly as talented, and let's be honest, you can't Photoshop videos like you can Photoshop pictures. No hate, just being real there. But we went ahead and pulled a little inspiration from that look and that color scheme and tried to recreate it the best I could. So we're going to do a tutorial. I'm going to show you how these perform, and I'm going to give you some thoughts at the end. And if you want to see more Juvia'S Place on this channel, I have several more coming in. Go ahead and leave that in the comments and thumbs up this video if you like the brand. So we are going to go ahead and get to our tutorial. Okay, so first we're going to go into Cote d'Ivoire, and we're just going to go ahead and put this into the crease, blend it out, and get our upper half of this look going. So we're just going to blend it through here, and holy goodness, that was hardly any, and that's still pigmented. Okay, so we are just going to blend it through here, pack it on pretty heavy because we definitely want this blue to be present, and build it up slowly using circular motions. That way we don't get too many harsh lines, just like so. Okay, so then we are going to take this yellow right here. It's called Aya. I don't know if I'm pronouncing anything right, sorry. And we are just going to pack this on the inner corner of the lid and the eye, just like so. Okay, so now we are going to take Dakar using the same technique and just press this in with our fingers and see how much pigment we can get out of it. Okay, so now we are going to go into Niger right here, and we're going to, of course, same technique, and apply this to the rest of the lid. Oh man. Okay, so now we're going to go into, I'm going to call it Angelic right here, and we are going to put this between the orange and the green, and add a little bit of sparkle right through here. And this will also help to blend these two shades together just a little bit. Okay, so just to go ahead and blend everything out and intensify this even more, we're going to blend out with that blue up at the top make this a little bit darker and make these colors make a little more sense, and also bring this down just a little bit. Alright, so we are going to do some liner and lashes and clean up this mess and be back for the lower lash line. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and knock out this lower lash line. We added some detailed liner and a wing to the top. But the first thing we're going to do down here is grab Angelic right here. And we are going to stick this into the inner corner on the other side of this yellow. So like right in here to add a little bit of shine. And that does have a lot of shine to it. Then I'm going to take this same brush right here and go back into Niger. And we are just going to line part of the lower lash line with this. And be sure to hit it off this time so we don't get so much fallout. And we are just going to line through here with this green. Just like so. Okay, and last we are going to take Cote d'Ivoire right here, and we are going to line the outer edge of the lower lash line with this through here and connect it up to the top to make this whole look flow together just a little bit better. So through here and flowing up like so. And this gives us a super smoked out kind of look around the edges, but still all of the pigment we want and all the different colors. So this is the final look for this palette. Overall, for all the hype I've heard about Juvia'S Place, I'm a little bit disappointed. I don't know if it's just because I didn't wet any of the shadows or do anything like that. I'm gonna play around with different eye primers, some MAC Fix Plus, whatever else I can get my hands on, but y'all know test one is no help whatsoever. See what the shadows can do on their own. But this definitely made a pretty look. It's definitely not identical to my inspiration, but you know, we got the general idea. We played with a lot of colors. The blend was pretty good. There's not too many harsh edges. A little bit up here is kind of patchy. Again, that could just be, you know, I don't use primer really, not much at all, and I don't wet anything whenever I'm giving a brand a first test. But overall, this definitely turned out to be a pretty look. I'm excited to go scare some people in Walmart with it because that's always a fun test for the day. And yeah. That is it for today's video. I am definitely enjoying this. I've got a lot more Juvia'S Place on the way, and I cannot wait to try out even more of it. And yeah, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye, you guys.